rolling like a ball. Go ahead and sit on your bottom. You can kind of feel those bones, the sit bones that you're sitting on. We're going to tuck your legs so that they're right in front of you, grabbing your shins. From here, actively kick your shins away from you, like this, okay? And pretend you have a ostrich egg, a big egg in your lap. So what you don't want to do is crush it. We want to create space for it to be cradled in your body, okay? Now, draw your chin in, draw your belly button in. We're going to roll back and roll forward. Roll back and roll forward. Again, draw your chin in, back and forward, roll back and forward. If you find yourself kind of rolling and you're stuck, actively kick your legs into your hands. Okay, kicking your legs into your hands, drawing the chin in. Here and back. Last one. Here and back. Okay, so that was rolling like a ball. Another variation of this is going to be the seal. So what we're going to do, widen your legs a little bit, put your hands or arms between your legs, wrap them around. So what it looks like is my hands are in between my legs. I'm wrapping my hands around, so I'm grabbing my ankles. Okay, so we're going here. Okay, and we're gonna go tap, 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 roll back, tap, 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 roll forward, tap, 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 back, tap, 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 forward, tap, tap, tap. So the tapping is why it's called the seal. You want to, again, draw your chin into your chest, draw your belly button towards your spine. Here, I'm still on my shoulders, my head is not touching the ground. And I'm back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that was rolling like a ball and the seal.